Hello everybody, welcome to YouTube channel Enrich Your Knowledge. Today we are doing excretory system. What is excretion? Many waste substances accumulate in the body of the organism, in the body of the animal, just like ammonia, urea, uric acid, chloride ion, phosphate ion, sodium ion, potassium ions, even carbon dioxide, water, all these they are required to be removed out partially or fully, as the case may be, depending upon the habitat of the organism. So, the removal of waste substances from the body of the animal is called as the excretion. In lower organisms, just like in coelenterate and sponges, water current passes through the body in and out, which takes the food and other substances, gases, etc. to the body for its requirement, to meet the requirement and take out the water, carbon dioxide and other nitrogenous waste along with its current. So, in some animals, the ammonia is excreted as such. The nitrogenous waste is of main importance to remove, get it removed. They're very harmful. And the ammonia is the nitrogenous waste. How it is formed? By the breakdown of the proteins. So in aquatic animals, just like bonefishes, aquatic insects, aquatic amphibians, ammonia is diffused through the general body surface or the gill surface into the water as such. Ammonia requires plenty of water, so ammonia is the excretory substances in the aquatic animals only. So such animals, they are called as the monotelic, that is bony fishes, aquatic amphibians and aquatic insects. In other organisms, in some other animals, ammonia is converted into less harmful substance, that is urea. And they excrete urea by certain organs, excretory organs, and such organisms they are called as the ureotelic, just like mammals. Mammal is ureotelic. Terrestrial amphibians, they are also ureotelic. And in still other organism, the ammonia is converted into uric acid by various processes, and it is concentrated. Maximum water is absorbed. So to retain the water, they excrete the solid material, that is in the form of uric acid, just like in case of birds, in case of reptiles. Such organisms, they are called as the uricotelic. So what are the organs which perform the function of excretion? In the lower vertebrates, in platyhelminthes, what happens? Protonephridia, they are also called as flame cells. Platyhelminthes in rotifera, in case of sphelochordata. Protonephridia, they are the organs of excretion. They maintain the ionic and fluid balance of the body, that's osmotic balance of the body. In case of annelida, in earthworm and other annelida, nephridia are the organs of excretion. They excrete nitrogenous waste as well as maintain the osmotic balance of the body. In case of, you can say, insects, Malpighian tubules are the body of excretion. They also remove the nitrogenous waste and maintain the osmotic balance of the body. In case of, you can say, some crustacean, just like prawn, antennal glands, they perform the function of excretion. They also perform the function of removal of nitrogenous waste as well as to maintain the ionic balance of the body, osmotic balance of the body. Or in case of higher vertebrates, kidneys are the organs of excretion. And we will do today the excretory system of human being. In human being, the excretory organs are kidney and its associated parts, What are kidney? Kidney are two bean-shaped structure. They are bean-shaped structure. They lying on the dorsal side to show the cavity. In between in the space starting from last thoracic vertebra to the till the up to the third lumbar vertebra that was on the dorsal side. So from the kidney, I told you they are bean-shaped structure. This notch, there is present notch in the kidney on their inner side, which is called as the hilum, Then these kidney, they weigh near about 120 to 170 gram, and their length is 10 to 12 centimeter. Their width is 5 to 7 centimeter. Their thickness is 2 to 3 centimeter. So from the each kidney, there arise a tube-like structure which is called as the ureter. Ureter of both the kidney, they open into bladder, which is called a urinary bladder, where the urine is stored for some time. And this urinary bladder has an aperture at its lower side connected to the outside, through which urine is passed, and this aperture is called as the urethra. This pore is called as the urethra. So this is all about excretory system. What are the parts? Kidney, ureter, and urinary bladder, and urethra. And each kidney is supplied with the pure blood by renal vein, renal artery, and impure blood is collected by the renal vein. So what is the detailed structure of kidney? If you cut the section of the kidney, here it is detailed structure. I told you in the inner side there is present notch which is called as the hilum. This hilum opens into funnel shaped structure which is called as the pelvis. It is the pelvis. This pelvis has projections on the upper side which are called as the calyx. Kidney has two zones, cortex and medulla. Outer zone is cortex, inner zone is medulla. Medulla is in the form of medullary pyramids. Each pyramid fit into the calyx of the pelvis. So they are fitting into the calyx of the pelvis. Cortex zone is outer zone. From the cortex zone also extends in between the two medullary pyramids. That portion is called as the renal column or column of Bertini. Then these kidney, I told you they are supplied with pure blood by the renal arteries, and impure blood is collected by the renal veins. These kidney, they have millions of excretory complexes, renal complexes, which are called as the nephrons. They actually perform the function of urea formation, urine formation, urine formation. So what is the function of one nephron? Each nephron consists of two parts, Malpighian glomerulus and renal tubule. Each nephron has two parts, glomerulus and renal tubule. Glomerulus is network of blood capillaries. Afferent arteriole branch and branch to form the capillary network, which again they unite to form the efferent arteriole which come out. Renal tubule consists of two parts. The cup-like structure at its upper end, which is called the Bowman's capsule. This Bowman capsule it leads into a tube, coiled tube-like structure, which is called as the proximal convoluted tubule. This part is proximal convoluted tubule. This proximal convoluted tubule leads into U-shaped structure. This is called as the loop of Henle. Loop of Rayleigh then again leads into convoluted structure, which is called as distal convoluted structure. This distal convoluted tubule, this distal convoluted opens into the collecting duct. Many of the renal tubules, they open into the collecting duct through the distal convoluted tubule. In the Bowman capsule, there is present network of capillaries which form the glomerulus. This is all about the structure of nephron. Then this efferent arteriole, when it comes out of the Bowman's capsule, it runs parallel to this loop of Henle, and it's also from the U-shaped structure, which is called as the vasa recta. This is all about structure of kidney. Next time we'll do how does kidney function, how urine is formed. I think you might have followed it. Remember it. Subscribe it and share it with your friend and like it. It will encourage me. Okay, bye. Have a good day.